If you book our discovery call and you get an introductory class and you're just an introductory course on MSK Ultrasound and you're kind of on the fence and you don't know what's going on, what better resource to kind of tip the scales to say, all right, this is something that I'm really interested in. And I mean, it's a huge value to anybody that wants to get that intro course. We're going to be continuing these, and I think Ariana had mentioned this briefly. I'm going to give you a little teaser here. Thanks for sticking around. For those who stuck around, we're going to have Don Buford, orthopedic surgeon and orthobiologic master as well. He's in the same caliber as Ariana here. We're all trying to work together for the same thing, is trying to get you all better. We're trying to help make healthcare smarter, right? And the smarter we are, the better our patients are.